Crafting a high converting landing page is an art, one that immediately convinces your audience to become your customer. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and today in this video I am going to share some of the most important elements for a high converting landing page. The most crucial part of any landing page is attractive headline. It's important to attract the user in the first place, which means you need a killer headline. Overall, the best headlines are ones that are controversial or make a bold statement that attracts a user to find out more. Another important strategy is present a single and focused call to action. Remove any secondary links that might cause someone to leave your page before clicking and converting through your CTA, or making it obvious what your CTA is. Your visitors are more likely to take that one action. Consider also placing your CTA above the fold. Another important strategy is include forms of social proof. Social proof is a powerful ingredient for any landing page. Testimonials, reviews, and partner logos can be a fast and effective way to build credibility with your prospects. It is also a proven way to encourage more people to purchase your products or services because they are more likely to be convinced after reading someone else's vote of confidence in what you have to offer. Our fourth strategy is offer a freebie in exchange for an email address of your visitor. This is must. It is a great way to show you know your stuff and to encourage your visitors to sign up for your mailing list. You can offer a special report, a video series of your top tips, an audio lesson sent daily for 7 days, or a sample of your paid product in exchange for their name and email address. Another very important part of a good landing page is keeping it brief. Sometimes I have seen that people complicate the landing page. Your landing page does not need to be long. As a matter of fact, I really don't like long landing pages or sales pages. Your visitors have come to you for a specific purpose. So give them what they are looking for and do not make them weed through all the chatter to get it. As long as you write an attention-grabbing headline, a brief introduction and your offer, and you point them to the freebie to sign up, you have an excellent chance of converting more than 60 to 80% of your visitors into subscribers. Another strategy is give them your best stuff. Just asking them to sign up for your newsletter won't do the trick anymore. Most visitors are looking for and expecting to receive a good valuable freebie for allowing you to market to them through their inbox. So give it to them. If you give away some of your best information, they are more likely to come back to you for more because you have proven how great your content is to them. Also, when you do market to them, they will not only open the email but read it. So this is it from now. If you have not launched a landing page yet, you are late to the game. But don't worry, you can also watch my video on how to create a good landing page. Start by implementing each of these 6 important aspects and you will be well on the way to engaging your visitors and converting them into customers. I'll see you in another one. Until then, keep moving forward.